Hello students, welcome in this video. Today I will tell you about polygons. Okay, this chapter is very interesting. So what is a polygon? This is the main question. It is on page number 38. The chapter starts from page number 38. So you have to study these two pages. Okay, 38 and 39. Now it is the book of Student Advisor. This is your textbook. So let's continue. Today I will solve question number 1 and 2, but before solving the questions I will tell you basic concepts related to this chapter. Alright, listen carefully. What is a polygon? We are studying about polygons. So a polygon is a closed shape made by line segments only. Means, suppose if I draw a closed shape, it is a closed shape, but one of its boundaries, the part of the boundaries is not a straight line. You can see this is not a straight line, so it is not a polygon. Then if I draw this closed shape, you can say it is a polygon because first of all it is closed. Okay, first condition should be that whatever the figure you draw should be closed, then the parts of the boundaries should be straight lines only. Straight line, all are you can say line segments. Okay, so this is a polygon. Now what is the proper definition of a polygon? So as given in your book, a closed shape made up of 3 or more than 3 sides is called a polygon. This is the correct definition. A closed shape or a closed figure made up of 3 or more than 3 lines is called a polygon. Why we consider at least 3? Listen carefully. अगर आप कोई polygon draw करते हैं और अगर आप 2 line segments consider करते हैं, so 1 and 2, so what can you say about this shape? Is it closed or opened? Yes, it is opened. तो जब ये जो भी शेप हमने ड्रॉ किया है, जो भी कर्व हमने ड्रॉ किया है, वो अगर ओपन है तो वो पॉलीगॉन नहीं हो सकता. पॉलीगॉन के लिए फर्स्ट कंडीशन क्या है? इट शुड बी क्लोज्ड. तो कोई क्लोज्ड हो सकता है इस तरह से सर्कल. दिस इज अ क्लोज्ड शेप, क्लोज्ड कर्व. सो इट मे और मे नॉट बी ए पॉलीगॉन. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन अदर प्रॉपर्टीज. बट सबसे पहली कंडीशन है जो भी शेप आप ड्रॉ करें वो क्लोज्ड होनी चाहिए. उसके बाद हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि वो पॉलीगॉन है कि नहीं है. करेक्ट. नाउ देयर आर few types of polygons and you have to study all the points on page number 38 and 39. These are very important. Okay, 38 और 39 के जो भी points हैं on these 2 pages you have to study these. Okay, both these pages. So as you know the basic concepts of interior angles, exterior angles, adjacent angles, opposite angles. Okay, now types of polygon. First is convex polygon. What is the meaning of convex? If each interior angle of a polygon is less than 180 degree, then it is called a convex polygon. Then comes concave. Now I am not going to write on the board because you can study these points from your book. Second is concave polygon. What is the meaning of concave? If it is not convex, it is concave. Or you can say if at least one of the interior angles is greater than 180 degree, it is called a concave polygon. Then regular and irregular. What is the meaning of regular? If all the sides have equal length and all the interior angles are equal in measurement, it is called a regular polygon. And if a polygon is not regular, it is called irregular. Then comes open curve, closed curve and simple closed curve. So मैं आपको बहुत सिंपल तरीके से बता रहा हूं. ओपन कर्व का मतलब ये होता है a curve that does not cross at any point. Okay, means like this because ये जो दोनों कर्व मैंने ड्रॉ किए हैं ये कहीं भी एक दूसरे को क्रॉस नहीं कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो ये ओपन कर्व हो गया. देन क्लोज्ड कर्व. क्लोज्ड मीन्स इफ द स्टार्ट एंड एंड पॉइंट आर सेम. जहां से आपने स्टार्ट किया ड्रॉ करना वहीं पे आप एंड करते हो तो ये क्लोज्ड कर्व होता है. सो this polygon, in this polygon there are some crossing points. Okay, means it can cross itself, it can cross or not, कोई भी केस हो सकता है. Then simple closed curve. So a closed curve which do not crosses itself is called a simple closed curve. Then there are few properties of angles for each type of polygon. So we will discuss them one by one when we solve the questions. I am going to tell you about interior and exterior angles. Okay, see, this is a polygon. Now this is a simplest polygon because it requires minimum number of sides. ये ट्राइंगल है, इसमें 3 साइड्स होती हैं, तो 3 साइड से कम अगर हम कंसीडर करें तो पॉलीगॉन कंस्ट्रक्ट नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज विद द हेल्प ऑफ 2 लाइन सेगमेंट्स वी कैन नॉट ड्रॉ अ पॉलीगॉन. नाउ दीज एंगल्स आर कॉल्ड इंटीरियर एंगल्स विच आर इनसाइड द पॉलीगॉन, करेक्ट. एंड देन कम्स एक्सटीरियर एंगल which is very closely related to the interior angle. So if you produce a line, then the angle made by the adjacent side is called exterior angle. तो ये जो एंगल होता है एक्सटीरियर होता है. इस तरह से ये एंगल भी एक्सटीरियर होगा और ये एंगल भी एक्सटीरियर होगा. Okay students, so I hope you understood these basic concepts and you have to go through the page numbers 38 and 39. Now I am going to solve exercise 3.1 which is from NCERT folder. This is the page of your book. See, okay, this is the page of your book, NCERT folder. Now first question, few figures are drawn here. We have to decide which type of figures these are. So first question, part A, classify each of them on the basis of the following. Okay, first is simple curve. Simple means which do not intersect or crosses itself. तो इनमें से सिंपल कर्व कौन से हैं? एक तो फर्स्ट है, आई एम ड्रॉइंग द डायग्राम्स, दिस वन, देन दिस वन and this one. These are the simple curves because they do not intersect themselves. So the answer is first, second, fifth, sixth and seventh. Okay students, so answer of part A is first, second, fifth, sixth, seventh. You have to mention these numbers. Okay, next part B is simple closed curve. Simple closed curve, so it should be simple and should be closed also. So the answer will be first, second, again fifth, sixth and seventh. Okay, it means the answers of part A and B are same. तो यहाँ पर सिंपल क्लोज्ड कौन से होंगे? सिंपल का मतलब जो अपने आप को क्रॉस नहीं कर रहा हो, और क्लोज्ड का मतलब क्लोज्ड हो, ओपन नहीं हो. तो वेरी सिंपल. सो थर्ड, फोर्थ एंड एट्थ आर नॉट सिंपल क्लोज्ड कर्व बिकॉज दे आर क्रॉसिंग ईच अदर एंड दे आर ओपन ऑल्सो. ये जो थर्ड फिगर आप देख रहे हैं, 2 सर्कल्स ड्रॉ किए हैं, ठीक है, ऑलमोस्ट सर्कल्स. दिस इज नॉट अ सिंपल क्लोज्ड कर्व. एंड फोर्थ पार्ट, just a star like shape, it is crossing itself. And in part A, okay, 8th figure is also crossing itself. So this is the answer of part B. Now part C, polygon. Okay, polygon means it should be a closed curve made by straight lines. So first and second, answer of part C is first and second because these are the polygons only. Okay students, and part D, convex polygon. As I explained you, convex means the measurement of each interior angle is less than 180 degree. So first and second figures are the polygons and second is the convex polygon. Part E, concave polygon, it is first figure. Listen, figure number first and second both are polygons, but first is concave and second is convex. So we have solved first question of exercise 3.1. Pause the video and note it down. Now I am going to solve second question. So what the second question says, that how many diagonals does each of the following have? How many diagonals? Okay, here I am going to tell you a formula that is used to calculate the number of diagonals of a given polygon. Listen carefully. You have to write this formula. Okay, then I will tell you how can we calculate the number of diagonals practically, means by drawing a shape. So this is the formula where n is the number of sides of a polygon. Okay, then part A, a convex quadrilateral. A convex quadrilateral means just take a rectangle, doesn't matter, you can take rectangle, square, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium or kite, either one, कोई सा भी कंसीडर कर सकते हैं. So this is a convex and it is quadrilateral also because it has four sides. Now convex quadrilateral, so it is there, the value of n is 4, number of sides, so we will put n equals 4 here. It is 4 into 4 minus 3 upon 2, that is 4 into 2 upon 2, it's cancelled and number of diagonals is 4. Okay, this is part A, note it down. Now part B, a regular hexagon. Hexagon means there are 6 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6, there are 6 sides, so number of diagonals equal 6 into 6 minus 3 upon 2, it is 6 into 3 upon 2, ultimately it is 18 upon 2 and that is 9. So there are total 9 diagonals. Okay, part C, a triangle. Okay, it's very interesting, triangle, because triangle is the very basic polygon. It requires minimum number of sides, that is 3. So again number of diagonals n, value of n is 3 because it has 3 sides. 3 into 3 minus 3 upon 2, that is 3 into 0 upon 2 and that is 0. It means a triangle doesn't have any diagonal. Okay students, so we have finished question number 1 and 2. I am going to explain this question with the help of geometry. So in the first case of question 2, a convex quadrilateral, see it is a convex quadrilateral. Now just try to draw the diagonals. These are the vertices A, B and C. So join A and C, because we don't need to join A and B, they are already connected. A and D already connected, and join B and D. You can see there are 2 diagonals. What are the diagonals? Diagonal is a line segment which joins 2 opposite vertex. ये दोनों वर्टेक्स अपोजिट हैं, A और C, और B और D भी अपोजिट है, तो इनको कनेक्ट करने वाले लाइन सेगमेंट को हम डायगोनल कहेंगे. करेक्ट? सो देयर आर 2 डायगोनल्स. In the same way, you can draw different polygons and try to calculate the number of diagonals by joining opposite vertex. Okay students, today in this video I have solved 2 questions. So solve in your fair notebook. Okay students, have a nice day.